Dear friend Sarah, nice to meet you again. Yeah, we already solved the first two layers, and in the following videos we are going to solve the last layer in 4 steps. However, it's slightly different to the first clause in the first layer, that the color on the side no need to match or belong to the centerpieces on the side. Yes, it means that this color and this color no need to match up, okay? Like so, just one zero cross on the top side, it is enough. When orienting the edge piece, this edge piece will meet 4 cases. The case 1 is like so, a zero cross already solved in the top layer. And the second case like so, 2 zero stickers that with the zero centerpieces look like one line, right? Case 3 like so, 2 zero stickers that's adjacent and with these centerpieces together look like one opposite L, right? Opposite L, right so, and opposite L, right, like that. And the next, without any edge zero pieces facing up, we can just see a zero centerpiece here. Alright, the first case, it is already a zero cross. Remember, we just need to think of the edge piece, no need to think of the centerpiece, okay? Alright, it is a correct zero cross, right? So, that's what we need to do for this case. And the second case, like so, a light. So, what we need to do is to make this light be parallel to us, okay? Cannot like so, like this. And follow the algorithm F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime. See what happened. Yes. Yes, when we ignore these corners, just think of the edge piece. It is a zero cross, right? So, done it. Next case, the third case, and opposite L. So what we need to do is make this opposite L on the left back side, okay? Cannot like so, like that, just like this. Let's try the same algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime. Okay, alright, get the second case, right? So, one more time. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime. That, done it. A zero cross. And the last case, we can just see a zero centerpiece facing up. In this case, same. Let's try the same algorithm to see what will happen. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime. Okay? Yes. Ignore these corners. It is one L, right? So rotate the top layer to make it on the left back side. Okay? And follow F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime. Yes, the second case again, right? F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime. Yes, done it again. Clever as you. Maybe somebody already got the tips, right? All the times, just need to follow one same algorithm. Remember, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime. Okay, congratulations to you. It's very near for us to solve the complete cube. Just need more practice to become more familiar about it algorithm. Yes, see you next time.